Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Prices are a little bit lower overnight. We're still trying to figure out weather over the next couple of weeks. We'll be closed until Tuesday morning. I'm sure the maps are going to change a lot between now and then, but when we walk in Tuesday morning, it's all about weather. As far as the USDA, yesterday they increased all U.S. cropland acres to 321 million from 315 estimated in March and 316 last year. The big news was they didn't increase soybean acres as much as the market had hoped, and so we rallied soybean prices. Range of trade guesses for the soybean carryout for this year, 266 to 310, the government's at 370. Next year, 100 to 260, and the government's 260. So soybean market's going to have to see good weather and actually see this demand come in if we're going to push prices higher. The guesses for this year's corn carryout, 1,800 to 1,887, the government's 1,708. Next year, 2,200 to 2,600, government's at 2 billion bushels. So there's not much hope for corn prices to rally from here unless we have a weather problem. Wheat carryout guesses, 1,130 to 1,200, the government's 1,050. So again, wheat prices will probably be pushed lower because of just too much supply. The funds yesterday bought a large amount of beans, meal, oil, and wheat, and sold a big chunk of corn. So again, they're sitting here long beans, meal, oil, and corn, and short wheat going into this key month. We had some slight showers in the western belt overnight. There's some rain in the southern plains. The 6 to 10 day and the 18-14 day hints of normal to above temps and normal rains, especially in the east. The 11 to 15 day continues to be confused with now putting a Bermuda high coming in from the east coast into the eastern Midwest, which could limit the heat coming from the west, but it also could limit some of the shower activity. So right now we're going to be watching how much rain we get over the weekend in the southern half of the Midwest and how much rain moves into the Midwest and the northern part of the Midwest late next week. So hold on to your hats. But everybody have a happy and safe 4th of July, and we'll be back on Tuesday just to see how things unfold. As always, these are my thoughts and not those ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.